fireworks. Where are the fireworks?
Well, there were
They're
some
over
back
there.
That way by
Yeah.
the country club over there. That's probably where
You can hear the firecrackers in the background. The motorcycle's noisy. Yeah, I'm charging your phone.
Oh, okay.
You should see them. Up, there they are. I saw it. This is a perfect view.
And dust.
It's that black car in front of us. I'm waiting for some more.
I know. There.
Where? I just didn't see it.
A little pop going up there. Down there and see if you can. Oh, there, up there.
Up. Oh. That was an M80. I just heard it.
Yeah.
People shooting off in the middle of the park. That's what they're doing.
Yep. There's something going on over there, so we should get some lights.
Be able to see. Oh my god, stupid camera.
Yeah.
I'm taking up on my phone memory.
Oh, you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
It's fine. I can always delete it. Because I filled up my 8GB SD card just from taking an 8-minute video.
Yeah, I remember you telling me.
Now I'm gonna fill up my 16GB phone. This phone is 16 gigabytes, so it's gonna take up 16 minutes of a video. That's what I thought. See the flashing. Oh, jeez.
Flickering in the sky.
Up,
See
I
it?
just saw it.
Yep. There's a tree blocking.
Stupid tree. Up,
Yeah, I see it.
yeah, you can see it right there somewhere. Right on top of my finger, right there.
Ooh, look at that. Yeah.
It's fun watching that though. Oh,
Yeah. Pretty. Well, those phosphor colors are really intense.
Yeah. There you go.
It's actually pretty far.
There's a couple of them going on. There's one farther away and one closer. See that?
See that right in the sky?
Maybe there's like
There.
3 of them going off at the same time. Huh.
Ooh. 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 See that?
Wow, pretty good, huh?
Right there. Have a perfect view.
It's a good spot. Wow, look at that.
Ah, darn, I see nothing.
We got trees.
Stupid trees. Let's see, we're right next to them.
There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, look at that.
Wow.
Pretty cool, huh? Probably people parking in that parking lot watching.
Yeah. Yep, there's people. Some people.
That's a pretty good view from here.
Stupid Estella's building. Crap. Darn it.
We're here.
Oh. See him all the way. You're charging 68%.
Come on up.
No, 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 no.
Keep an eye out for him.
Hold on, let's find them. Up, there they are. I saw the red thing.
Another place up there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. See, there's like 5 of them going on at once.
Oh yeah. This is
Really
the peak
serious.
fireworks time, right about this time. See, look at that.
See, flashing. Power bank. Kind of far.
Yep, more coming.
See him right there. Boom, boom. Oh, they're stopped. Oh, stupid wall. I hate that wall. Why did they have those walls there? Right behind those houses. Oh, I think there's some